Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and right now I'm taking this video from the front-facing camera of Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus smartphone. It comes with 5 megapixel front-facing camera capable of recording 1080p full HD videos. So I'm just giving you an idea that if you're going to use this phone for taking selfies or videos, so how good or bad it will be in terms of quality. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.